All right, let's get into the Dumbbell Goblet Squat, a powerhouse move for building lower body strength while reinforcing proper squat mechanics. Start by holding a dumbbell close to your chest, gripping it with both hands under the top end. Keep your elbows tucked in, creating a strong frame. Position your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Engage your core, roll your shoulders back, and keep your chest lifted. Lower yourself by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Keep your chest up, elbows in, and descend until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or lower if mobility allows. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Avoid letting your knees cave in or lifting your heels off the ground. Keep your back straight. Don't round your spine. If you're new to this, use a lighter dumbbell or perform a bodyweight squat first. For added intensity, slow down the descent or add a pause at the bottom. Control every rep, focus on form, and power through. Keep up the great work.